Stuart Carter here from Howard's in Dorchester. We're going to show you a short video of this Kia Sorento. This particular one is a KX3 with a 2.2 CRDI engine. It's a 7-seat configuration with the automatic gearbox and has full leather upholstery as well as satellite navigation and a full panoramic roof as well. I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the vehicle, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.